Hi, I will show you how to download and install iTunes on your Windows 10 laptop. You can install it by Microsoft Store or direct. iTunes is a media player and software application developed by Apple Incorporated. It is used to play, organize, and manage digital audio and video files, as well as to purchase music, movies, TV shows, audiobooks, and podcasts from the iTunes Store. I hope this video helps you download and install iTunes on your Windows 10 laptop. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.